Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss with all of you two very important stock suggestions, and I think they are at a very good level for buying. Now, which level to buy, how long you have to keep it in your portfolio, what is the potential of profit, whether it is a positional trade or it's a long-term investment opportunity, what is the strength and weakness of the stock. I'll discuss this in detail. Hi. First of all, welcome to my channel once again. I'm Dhurjati Banerjee, and I am going to discuss two stock suggestions that can give you potentially 20 to 25% return in next 3 to 6 months. But remember, I am not a SEBI registered financial advisor. This video is not for financial advising. This is only for educational purpose. I am sharing my view and my analysis and what I am going to do in my portfolio in the hope that it will also help you in your investing journey. Before you invest, please do your own due diligence, please do your own market research, and accordingly take your investing decision. So, without further delay, we'll discuss the two stocks that we are going to discuss about. The first stock today we are going to discuss is Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi, we all know, is one of the very important tech stock, but this is something of a different kind of tech stock. Many of us, almost all of us, have listened or have heard about Tata Elxsi, but most of us doesn't understand clearly what this company actually does. So this company is a design and system solution provider, and they have a various areas of working, starting from automobile, AI, to distribution of information, cable networking. Overall, the entire design, system design and engineering process, this is a very stable company. Their major business source and the major chunk of income comes from US and UK, also from the various part of world, and from Indian company also. They are getting good amount of business. So Tata Elxsi, we all know and we all have seen how good this company is. And right now, if you see Tata Elxsi from its peak of 10,000, 11,000, it has now come down to a rate of 6,500. So almost a 30-35% correction between September to February in last 5-6 months. And this has been a overall, but if you see the volume profile, this is the volume profile. You can see, if you see the volume profile, apart from this level, which is around 3,000, the highest selling and buying has happened in this region. What does this mean? This means that traders are most active when Tata Elxsi stocks are falling. This does not happen only if there are sellers. There are buyers also, there are long-term buyers also who are collecting this stock for a potential upside in next 3 to 6 months. So if you see the chart pattern, you will see that this has always been. So if you see from here, it has from here, if you see from here, sorry, if you see from here, it has gone to here. It is continuously making a pattern of higher highs and higher lows. And now in last maybe a couple of months from August to February, it is continuously going down. But we will see also what is the current status of Tata Elxsi in fundamentals. Okay. So if you see fundamental, you will see that Tata Elxsi is having a market cap of 40,000 crores, 41,000 crores almost, and it has a very strong fundamental business situation. If you see from screener, the stock, there is no concern at all. If you see the peer comparison, Tata Elxsi comes on number one in terms of market cap, in terms of ROC, in terms of quarter profit, every aspect, it is still the peer comparison month. And if you see the operating profit, so operating profit is continuously increasing. Maybe September 2022, there was a decrease. But if you see from December, last 5, 6 quarter, 221, 211, 221, 238, 227, and again in December 2022, 247. So they are having a good operating profit. They are having their sales are increasing. Their operating profits are increasing. Their profit before tax are also increasing, and their net profit is also increasing. So they have a very solid cash flow status, and balance sheet I'm not going to discuss. Cash flow is very positive. And if you see the ratio and shareholding pattern, so there is not much change in promoter shareholding, which is a concern, always a concern when if you see a long-term investment opportunity, but promoters are decreasing. But that is not the case. Yes, some FIIs, of course, they have reduced their shareholding, but that doesn't mean. See, यहाँ पे retail investors are increasing their participation in this stock. We'll see another analysis of Tata Elxsi. Here, if you can see the money control inside, Tata Elxsi also is part of Axis Group mutual funds. And if I talk about Tata Elxsi weakness, see, there is no weakness at all. If you see, this is the pro version of money control, and what they are saying is there are 13 strengths of this company. Okay, good things are there for the company, but the weakness is only one. My mutual funds have decreased. Opportunities are there, threats are zero. So basically, this is a very fundamentally strong. Oh, one more thing. I just wanted to see the Piotrowski score, which is one of the most important score that are being observed by all the fundamental analysts, and it is a very strong marker of a fundamental health of a company. This is 7. Strong financials are there. So fundamentally solid company, currently at a 35% below the highest price, and uh, foreign investors have decreased some of their shareholding. What is going to happen? There is no way that this stock is going to be here for a long time. I can give you an example. Maybe 3 to 6 months back, all the major tech stocks of US, FANG stock that we are talking about, Apple, Google, Amazon, everyone, Meta, everybody lost around 30-35% from their highest point of highest point of sales. And in next last 3 months, they are continuously improving, and there is almost a 10 to 15% growth in every tech stock. So my analysis, this is the same thing going to happen with Tata Elxsi as well. How long? I don't know. Maybe in next 3 months, maybe in next 6 months, but it is going to happen for sure. And it is when it will happen, you will have a golden opportunity to buy the stock. Sorry, not buy, uh, to book the profit if you are buying the stock right now. So without further delay, we'll move into the next stock, that is Asian Paints. See, Asian Paints, is a very, very fundamentally strong stock in Indian market, and fundamentally over the period it has given absolutely amazing return to its investors. So if you see, this is the Asian Paints from 2009. It has given a absolutely fundamentally strong return to its investors. Now, what is happening in this stock right now? If you see, this stock is from maybe 2021 to 2023. This stock is working in a channel. You can see this is the clear cut channel from here, 2021, maybe, November, December. It was at 2760 range, around 27,2800 range. Then two times it has reached to 34, 3500, again came down at 3000 level, again reached 3500 level, again came down. So between last 2 years, three times it has reached around 3500 level, and three times it has came down. How does, what is the significance of this? So in every 6 months, these stocks, bears are pulling down the stock. They are selling, selling, selling. The stock is coming down. Then either bulls or the long-term investors, they are buying, buying, buying. And again, if you see from this point, it is again and again, it is coming back. So if I go day wise, you will see another picture. See, again, the channel. You can see the channel. I hope all of you can understand what is a channel and how it works. So let me just give you an overview. So this is the channel that this is the channel roughly, and this is the roughly channel. In this channel, and this is one more important line. So this is the channel where last 2 years this is going, and this is the technical analysis. Okay. Now, sorry, this is Asian Paints. If I go to Asian Paints, con again, if you see concerns, there is no concerns of for Asian Paints. As such, there is no concern. What is their quarterly result? Peer comparison. If you see ROC highest among the industry, and what is their PE value? Still highest among the industry. And if I talk about sales, if you see their sales are very steady. 8,500, 7,800, 8,600, 8,400, 8,600. Operating profit 1,400, 1,500, 1,200, 1,600. So there are ups and downs, but the sales are overall okay. Sales are overall growing in a very slow pace in one or two quarter because of cyclic nature of paint industry. The sales may come down, and because of that, the stock price came down. But as I have shown all of you already, this is a channel forming situation. It is coming down and going up, coming down and going up. So we can expect that Asian Paints is going to go up in next 3 to 6 months. And right now the stock is at 2760. And the highest it goes up to 3450 60. So roughly 700 rupees, almost 25% profit, opportunity of profit in 6 months. If you see here, it was July 2022, it was somewhere between 2600, and here in October 22, it was 3500. So between July to October, in 3 to 4 months, it was there. Now again, October to February, it has come down. Now again, we can expect in next 3 to 4 months, it may go up to this level and almost 20 to 25% profit. Now quickly, we will see the Asian Paints overall MC insights, money control insights. Again, Piotrowski score is 5. This is good financials. There is a good strength about the company, and you can see here also. And overall, this is going talking about bearish because this may come down a bit. And but if I talk about 3 to 6 months, is it going to go up? Yes, absolutely. So for Asian Paints, what I will suggest, if you are buying with your own due diligence, do not buy the complete amount. Maybe you are going to buy maybe 50,000 rupees of Asian Paints. So do not tomorrow morning, do not buy 50,000 rupees Asian Paints and then wait for how it is when we I'm going to get 25% return. So don't do that. From here, it may go down to this level as well. Okay, it may go down to 2500, 2600 level in next 15-20 days, 1 month. But what my prediction and my analysis and overall the trend is saying is that next 3 to 6 months it is going to hit the 34,000-35,000 level and may also go up if the overall market is bullish and Indian market bull run starts, then it is going to happen. Absolutely. So thank you very much for listening patiently and do your due diligence and invest in stocks. Happy investing. May the goddess Lakshmi be with you and you be prosperous. If you like this video, please like this video and share with your friends and family. Subscribe this channel for more such important video. Thank you very much.